XT5 has a dependable gas V6 3.6L/ engine powering this automatic transmission. Sunroof, power UltraView double-sized glass roof that opens over first row, tilts lighting with express open and power sunshade, wheels, 20x8, 50.8 cm x 20.3 cm, ultra-bright machine faced with midnight silver access, transmission, 8-speed automatic, STD. These packages will make your Cadillac XT5 Premium Luxury AWD the envy of onlookers. Jet black, leather seating surfaces with mini-perforated inserts, with Lunar Brushed aluminum trim. Engine, 3.6L V6, DI, VVT, with automatic stop-start, 310 horsepower, 231 kilowatts at 6,600 RPMs, 271 pounds-ft of torque, 366 Nm, at 5,000 RPMs, STD, engine block heater. Driver assist package includes, KSG, adaptive cruise control, AX7, automatic safety belt tightening, UFQ, automatic parking assist, UGN, automatic collision braking and, UPZ, front and rear automatic braking, Cadillac Q information and media control system with embedded navigation, AM/FM stereo with 8 diagonal color information display, 4 USB ports, 2 auxiliary power outlets, auxiliary input jack, enhanced voice recognition and phone integration for Apple CarPlay and Android Auto capability for compatible phone, STD. Advanced security package includes, NO6, locking steering column, NWM, door lock and latch shields, UTR, self-powered theft-deterrent alarm system, UTU, inclination sensor, UTV, vehicle interior movement sensor and, PB4, locking wheel lugs, wireless charging, require separately purchased adapter. Wipers, front intermittent, Rainsense, wiper, rear intermittent with washer, windshield, acoustic laminated, windshield and front door glass, windows, power front express up and down, rear express down and comfort open, auto express down via key fob, USB ports, 4+2 auxiliary power outlets, universal home remote includes garage door opener, 3-channel programmable. Visit us today for a must-own Cadillac XT5. Come see us at Laird Wheaton, 2590 Bowen Road, Nanaimo, BC 593L3. Just minutes away.